Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at this super cool 1/18 scale Chevrolet Caprice Classic. I believe it's year 1989, and this is by the brand Model Car Group, or MCG. And off the bat, guys, this is pretty much my first MCG brand car, and also there's two versions of this is actually like the upgraded version. There's another one in red that had lesser details, and I'm actually gonna be getting that one too, but I know for sure I wanted to begin with the obviously more up-to-date detail one, which is this one. And box kind of like opens this way. It's like a nice showcase box, which I do like, because the item didn't really need much packing, you know, and the fact that it had that bubble for the hood ornament was just excellent thinking by MCG, so shout out to them for that. Alright guys, now that we got the car outside of the box and we had it fully out, let's go ahead and take a look at the front. Off the rip, you got this really nice Caprice hood ornament there. You know, we got this nice grille. Got some really nice headlights. That's one thing about the car where I believe the detail on the headlights was just really awesome. It's kind of hard to even capture, but there's literally like little tiny light bulbs inside of the headlights, guys. All right. Then you got also Chevrolet right on the grille. One thing I did not like about the grille though, guys, is that it's painted silver, guys. All right. You also got this nice New York plate there in the front, which is also a separate piece. And yeah, guys, I think that the car is actually overall, it's really nice. I mean, I really used to like this car in real life, and growing up I had some relatives that used to own this car, and I remember actually you know, being a passenger in this car. Yeah, guys, was really comfortable, and the AC was really, it kicked really well too. One thing I remember about this Caprices. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the wheels. You know, you got this nice wheels. You got this kind of like wire type of stock hubcap, you know, and that's really what they were back in the day. And they kind of did that right. Now, I do like that they had the white wall on the tire. I mean, because cars don't always have the white wall. And gotta love the fact that we got this antenna. Then we also got this nice Caprice logo right there by the rear passenger, you know, panel right there. So looks really nice. Really like the details on the turn signal lights as well on the side. Really nice too. Again, nothing to give it away that it's a toy. Alright guys, now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the back. On the back, we got that same license plate we saw in the front, but then we also got this nice Caprice logo in the center. You know, we got Caprice Classic right there on the side. Nice lettering. Tail lights were superb though, and I definitely like the quality of the reverse lights, as well as the chrome finish on the bumper. And also the exhaust pipe looked really realistic too, to my surprise. It almost looked degraded in the right way, you know. So yeah, the one exhaust pipe on the back looked proper. Alright guys, now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the interior. One thing I do gotta mention though, we once again got this silver painted linings, which I wish would have been more of actual metal parts, metal chrome parts. So don't know why it's like that, but I'm seeing it more and more in comments with these sealed models. So, and even Kyoshi doesn't do it on every window. But besides that, the interior, it's, you could say it's nice, but it is kind of mainly plastic and a bit crude. If I had to rate this interior compared to the interior of the best of show models, which is a fair comparison due to their functionalities, I would say that this one is definitely more simpler, more of a cruder interior. So yeah, if Model Car Group, if you guys are listening, I do believe you guys could improve a tad on the interior. I mean, but still a great deal and a great price for the model altogether, and I gotta tell you guys, the look of this one, regardless of how the interior would have looked, I would have still made the decision of getting this model, just because I'm such a fan of this car. I really am. You know what I mean? Like I said, I just love the front of this car. I really like the fact that it's like an old school car, but it's not too old school. It's a certain look about it. It's very unique, and then that is just stock. And you can just imagine once you put rims and stuff like that on these, you see a lot of these customized, and they honestly just look just insane. But back to the diecast model, guys. As you guys can see, overall the paint quality is pretty nice and shiny and pretty crisp too. No weird type of flaws or rashes or anything on this paint job. So when it comes to their paint jobs, Model Car Group does get a very high rating from me. Once again, the front of this car is the selling point for me, and I do like the fact that Model Car Group did added the antenna right there. They added the white walls. But overall though, guys, the Model Car Group 1989 Chevrolet Caprice is definitely a must-have model for all you old school car collectors like myself. Definitely you will love this piece in your diecast garage. Alright, alright guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do make sure to slap a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Hope you guys are having an awesome day out there. And with that one, I'm outie, guys. Peace.